Good afternoon, everyone. All right, so it's Monday. I hope everyone had a great trading day today. First trading day of the year for me. I was really excited. I wanted to wait till the 11th, but I could not wait, so I decided to just jump in this week so I can get some trades going. But hopefully, you guys all had a successful trading day today. I want to kind of just break down my trade that I gave out over the weekend. So I gave you guys a trade idea over the weekend. I was looking for this level of support to break here, and then I was going to look for some sells. So this morning we was able to actually catch that setup, which was very nice. Of course, like I said in the video as well, that US30 kind of just does this thing where it just opens and just shoots right up. So we saw that correction today, but we saw more than just a correction because this thing completely just dumped afterwards. So I was trying to find the entry here. I kind of did something that I don't normally do. It's kind of out of my rules. I don't really like to trade on the 5 minute time frame, but in this case today I had to do that because there was just so much volume and price was just dumping, right? So if you look on the 4 hour, I saw that when I came to the chart this morning, I got on at 7:30. I was looking at the chart and I was like, okay, whoa, this thing we had a bearish 4 hour candle close here, so I was kind of just waiting till 9 a.m. So 9 a.m. was when this candle opened. I was watching this candle and I wasn't expecting this thing to just die completely like this. So I was kind of just watching it and price was just dumping. So I looked at the 1 hour, completely large 1 hour candles. You see that there's a crazy amount of volume right now on the short side. Then I was looking at the 30 minute. I'm like, okay, there's no pullbacks, and I like to enter off the retest. So there's no pullbacks, no signs of slowing down. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna have to try to get an entry off a retest of this level here, and I was not probably not gonna get that from the higher time frame. So I even went down to the 15 minute, and I was like, okay, all right, how can I get in on this trade? Because I didn't want to miss out on the opportunity. It was the first trade for the year, and I really did want it to be a winner. So I didn't really want to take too much risk on this trade. So I went down to the 5 minute, and I was like, you know what? Perfect. I saw a level here, so we can see this level here. We had this level here on the 5 minute. We created a little minor support. This is the only bullish candle you'll see, by the way, on the 5 minute time frame. So we saw this little level of support here. Then we saw this retest of this level, and this candle came down and closed bearish below that little level of support on the 5 minute. Okay, so this gave me the confidence to actually jump in on the trade. So I entered on the opening of this candle here once this 5 minute candle closed, and it was below this level of support here. Right, so I entered on this candle here. I had my stop loss above the previous 15-minute candle, right? So the one that already closed, and I had my trade running from there. I was able to just catch my 1 to 3 in and out. This trade happened very quickly, by the way, just because it was just so much volume. I was able to get out of this trade in like 20 minutes. So I was really happy that we got a first trade of the year and it was a winning trade. But essentially, this was the trade setup. I had this going live in my Zoom. So if you were there, then hopefully you would have been able to catch this with me. But um, essentially, this was my trade setup. I kind of want to just give this out to you guys, just kind of show you guys. All right, when I do give out these trade setups and these trade ideas, I want to see how you guys execute, but this is how I execute on these trades.